Snippets. Now this is our specialty, where we take one episode, and from one episode we can extract so many notable moments and nuggets that we called, based on a framework that is truly meant to serve your audience. We take snippets, also known as clips, to educate your audience, to give them an insight, and to also pull them into hopefully wanting to listen to the entire episode if the nugget is good enough. Now remember, people don't consume content all at once. You want to engage them with short clip content so that they can watch the entire episode. You can think of a clip or a snippet like a movie trailer. You watch the previews, you watch a trailer, and then next thing you know, you watch the entire movie. That's how you can start engaging with people who are familiar with your brand or who are not familiar with the brand, but it's an opening window into your world. Now snippets, we use a specific framework called BOOMTD, where we like to talk about a belief disruptor that the audience is not used to dealing with. That is what draws people in, an obstacle they're dealing with. We bake in your offer in a soft way. Anything that makes your offer look good, whether it's a guest that says something or you say something about a specific topic that's related to your offer, we include in a snippet. Can you save your audience money? Can you help them make more money? Can you save them time? That's the M and the T. And then last but not least, the desire. Whatever they're trying to get to, if you're speaking on that, that is what makes a strong snippet, and that is the framework that we use in-house to make sure that we're extracting quality snippets for your brand.